Ready?
Yep.
The Milwaukee M18 half-inch brushless hammer drill driver kit delivers the most power in its class while maintaining its compact size. Paired with built-in RedLink power tool technology and red lithium batteries, this hammer drill provides efficient power delivery and longer battery life. This kit comes complete with the half-inch brushless hammer drill with a belt clip, 2 M18 XC 4.0 battery packs, one M18 and M12 multi-voltage charger, a side handle, and the carrying case.
There's slots right here at the top. You take this and you can undo it.
Wow.
Yeah. That's nifty. Line up the hooks here. Now we're gonna just rotate them in. Nice and high. You're ready.
The cordless, brushless, half-inch hammer drill is built strong to last with an all-metal gear case and a half-inch metal chuck, getting the job done every time. If you'd like a chance to win this tool, click the link in the description to enter. The entry period ends August 2nd.